How to connect a Yamaha keyboard to a computer. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a quick tutorial on how to connect your Yamaha keyboard to your computer. So let's get started. First thing first, make sure you have your Yamaha keyboard, a USB cable and a computer ready. If your keyboard has a MIDI output, you might need a MIDI to USB interface. Now, take your USB cable and plug one end into your keyboard and the other into your computer. If you're using a MIDI interface, connect the MIDI out from your keyboard to the interface, then connect the interface to your computer via USB. Next, check if you need to install any drivers. Most Yamaha keyboards are plug and play, but it's always good to visit the Yamaha website to download the latest drivers if needed. Once everything is connected, open your music software. You should see your Yamaha keyboard recognized as a MIDI device. Play a few notes to test it out, and that's it. You're all set to start making music on your computer with your Yamaha keyboard. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.